Dictation for Punjab and Haryana High Court @80 word per minute, एक्सरसाइज नंबर 8। स्टूडेंट फाइनली हमारा टाइम आ चुका है। हमने आपके लिए क्या है कि CPT करवाई, CPT की क्लास दी है। जिन बच्चों से हमारी वीडियो का फ़ायदा लगा है उसको काफ़ी मतलब कॉन्ग्रेचुलेसन्स। और जो बच्चा यहाँ पे फ़ायदा लग रहा है डिक्टेशन के लिए वो भी आप कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कर सकते हैं हमारे लिए। और आपका चंडीगढ़ हाई कोर्ट का भी आपकी CPT यानी कि 6 मार्च से स्टार्ट हो जाएगी आपकी, इसलिए प्रिपेयर रही स्टूडेंट के लिए भी और आपकी CPT के लिए। जिन बच्चों का CPT में पंजाब एंड हरियाणा कोर्ट में CPT में सिलेक्शन नहीं हुआ था वो अच्छे से और तैयारी करके सिलेक्शन ले सकते हैं हमारे YouTube चैनल से। ओके, चलिए हम डिक्टेशन स्टार्ट करते हैं आपकी। और 2 डिक्टेशन हमने ऑलरेडी आपके लिए डाल दिया। Be ready? Start. Procedure has been filed by 2 petitioners, Sitaram Singh and his son Ranjit Singh, who are named accused in case number 710/2000 pending before the Adalat. Chief Judicial Magistrate Jhanjarpur. Stop. The petitioners have prayed for quashing of an order dated 18/1/2001 passed by the learned magistrate in the aforesaid case, whereby the bail granted to petitioners by order dated 19/2000 has been cancelled by the same magistrate on 2 grounds. According to petitioners, by cancellation of their bail is illegal, improper and unjust because the first ground, that is subsequent death of the injured and addition of section 302 of the Indian Penal Code is impermissible in law for cancellation of bail, and the other ground, the threatening of witnesses, has been accepted without any inquiry and verification. Because the matter involved cancellation of bail already granted to the petitioners, hence the matter was heard in details at the admission stage itself. So far as the second ground mentioned in the impugned order to the effect that the accused persons are tampering with the evidence is concerned, there is no controversy that on such a ground, if properly inquired and established, the bail already granted can be cancelled. But on facts, there is no difficulty in holding that a allegation to this effect has not been inquired properly, and learned magistrate erred in using this as an additional ground for cancellation of petitioner's bail. It was rightly pointed out on behalf of the petitioners that in Annexure 3, a petition filed by the Adalat Public Prosecutor dated 15/9/2000, there is no allegation of tampering, and cancellation of petitioner's bail was sought only on the ground that the injured had died after about a fortnight, and in view of section 302 of the IPC being attracted, the bail earlier granted in a case then under section 307 IPC should be cancelled for the ends of justice. No doubt in a petition for cancellation of bail filed by the informant on 11/9/2000 as contained in Annexure 4, the allegation of threatening of prosecution witnesses was mentioned in paragraph 10 in a general manner without specific particulars, but in another petition by the informant dated 14/9/2000 as contained in Annexure 5, some grievance was raised against the police, but there was no allegation of tampering. By the order dated 15/9/2000, which is part of Annexure 2, notice was issued to the accused persons as to why their bail to be cancelled. फुल स्टॉप। स्टूडेंट, इसका जो आपका डिक्टेशन का PDF आपको टेलीग्राम चैनल पे मिल जाएगा। जो स्टूडेंट हमारे टेलीग्राम चैनल पे नहीं है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक आपको मिल जाएगा, वहाँ पे जाके आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हो। थैंक यू, धन्यवाद।